Welcome to Faroes Ocean Cruise Line. We extend a warm welcome to you aboard Faroes Ocean Cruise Line, where we promise to provide you with an extraordinary journey filled with elegance, luxury, and adventure. As you step aboard, you are about to embark on a magnificent exploration of the world's most awe-inspiring destinations. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or cultural experiences, we are here to ensure that your cruise is an unforgettable experience. Our focus is on providing impeccable service, unmatched amenities, and a variety of engaging activities that will elevate your vacation to new heights. Join us on a voyage where every detail is designed to surpass your expectations. A glimpse of Faroes Ocean Cruise Line. At Faroes Ocean Cruise Line, we offer more than just a cruise. We offer an opportunity to create lifelong memories in a setting where luxury meets the sea. We understand that every traveler has unique preferences, and we are dedicated to providing a wide range of experiences tailored to each guest. Whether you're cruising for relaxation, exploration, or to bond with loved ones, Faroes Ocean Cruise Line makes every moment aboard special. From gourmet dining to world-class entertainment, we promise to take your vacation experience to the next level. Our fleet of state-of-the-art cruise ships provides a wide array of amenities designed to cater to the needs of both seasoned travelers and first-time cruisers. Our ships are equipped with the latest technology, lavish interiors, and a team of highly trained staff who are committed to providing outstanding service. As you sail across the pristine oceans, you can rest assured that comfort and luxury are always at your fingertips. Unmatched luxury accommodations. The heart of any great cruise experience is the comfort and relaxation of its accommodations.